they are. I know they are. You know, I still watch out because I have trust issues with people. So. Oh my God! Oops. Did you see that? Did you see that? I'm so happy to get this all on camera. I have to send this to like Papa.
We can send it to the news station too. Maybe they might enjoy.
Oh, the news station, perfect.
In the weather, that channel that you watch all the time about storms and tornadoes and stuff.
Yeah, people send them pictures and videos.
But
videos all the time.
Keep watching the sky because it's gonna do it some more.
There's Hollow.
No, more cars are coming.
Yep. Oh yeah, it's getting closer and closer. It's gonna be really loud, hopefully. Yeah, like people send videos and pictures all the time to the news station. They're like,
yeah, you can send yours.
Yeah, this would be perfect. This would be so perfect.
Okay, it's gonna do it again. I notice every time it gets like that, you gotta be good. I'll watch out for cars for you, but I can't watch the sky and the cars.
Oh no, you just watch out for cars. I'll watch out for the lightning. Derek. Oh my God!
Did you get it? Or were you too slow? Did you get it?
I can't even talk.
It's gonna probably do
Like,
some more.
I can't talk. My God.
That's so spectacular. I'm so glad we came outside.
Oh my God. Y'all, this is like, I'm speechless. I'm just. Okay, next time it does that, I'm just gonna go like this, like a.
Yeah,
like. Try to.
Then you concentrate on that.
Yeah.
Okay, scoot out of the street. A car's coming.
Oh my God. This is amazing.
Okay, so watch this area again because it just did that thing right before it's going to do a big thing.
Yup. And there's Hollow. And 3, 2, 1, boom. I said boom and it went boom. Oh my God. This is so awesome. There's a lot of cars. It seems like everybody's.
Oh, it's gonna do it again.
Did you see that? Did you see that? Oh, there was a little spark in it too. Did you see that, guys? Like, oh my God.
It means a big one's gonna come now. It seems like it.
Yeah, I'm just like trying to get the sky, like the top of the sky, because it usually spreads out.
Yeah, but see if you can follow it from when it does from the small to the big.
That's what I'm trying to go. I'm trying to go like.
I wish we had a proper video camera.
I know. Like, I wish we could use the other video camera because that takes like really good videos. But the only problem with that one is while you're filming, I don't know how to zoom in and out and that. But I like your phone a lot. So. My back. So itchy. I don't even care if my arm hurts from holding this out. This is just like jaw-dropping. Especially for where we live, you know? I guess.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh my God, there was a little thingy. Like earlier, it looked like a snake was just zooming through the sky because it was like the way, yeah, people are like, we're just walking slowly looking up. Oops, I'm on the wrong thing.
Is it still taping?
Yeah, it's still taping. 10 minutes of it.
I guess pause it. Oh, no.
Yeah, every time
I say pause.
Every time I want to pause it, it just like does something spectacular, you know? Like amazing. We're looking at like, why are you filming this? Well, I'm filming this so hot. Did you see that? Yes. Did you see that?
Get out of the street.
Did you, like, oh my God. Yeah, it's a little bit. That was really cool. Excuse me.
All right, I think pause.
Nope. Wait.
Wow.
Wow! I didn't get it. I got some of it. Oh my God, that was so awesome.
Okay, so just stay positioned this way.
Yeah, yeah,
And then try to
yeah.
pan up the sky.
Yeah.
You do get a little tiny... My reflexes aren't good either. Don't worry, you're doing awesome.
Yeah, like if it moves like really close and it's like a big one, it's gonna be loud. Jeez, they're so loud. Ooh, yeah, told you it was gonna be like loud, kind of. That's nice, nothing. But woo! Ooh, there it goes.
Oh, gotta do it again.
Yep. Got it ready. Can't pause it.
Maybe hold the camera like this, like sideways, to
Yeah.
get more of the sky.
Yeah. Oh, I'll try it. Yep, there we go. The only problem is my finger keeps getting in the camera.
Oh.
So, yeah. You're my armrest. Hopefully they'll accept our video. Woo! It's gonna do it. It's gonna do it. Do you think he's home?